In this BDRSuite demo, I'll show you how to configure backup for Microsoft 365 User Mailbox and how to restore the data. BDRSuite offers comprehensive backup solution for Microsoft 365 User Mailbox, including emails, calendars, contacts, and OneDrive items. With features like flexible storage and multiple data recovery options, BDRSuite ensures that your Microsoft 365 data is secure and easily recoverable. To get started, head over to the BDRSuite website and click Start Free Trial. Download and install BDRSuite on Windows or Linux machines, or even as a Docker container. For a step-by-step video on how to install and set up a backup server, check out the link in the description box. Be sure to fill in the form provided for technical assistance. Once the installation is complete, open the BDRSuite Backup Server console. Enter the username, password, and click Sign In. You can now experience BDRSuite's full-featured version in your environment with a 30-day free trial. As a first step, you need to configure a backup repository to store your backup data. Navigate to the Infrastructure Backup Repository menu. You can either use on-premise or remote storage like DAS, NAS, SAN, or your own public cloud storage such as Amazon S3, Azure Blob, Google Cloud, and S3-compatible storage like Wasabi, MinIO, and Backblaze. Navigate to the SaaS Applications tab and click on the Data Sources menu and choose Microsoft 365 Organization. On this page, click on the Add Microsoft 365 Organization button. To back up and recover your Microsoft 365 data, start by adding your Microsoft 365 Organization account. You'll need to enable authorization for BDRSuite to access your account. Once authorized, the necessary APIs for backup and recovery will be enabled. So select the Azure Cloud environment that your Microsoft 365 account is located in. Next, choose a method to add a Microsoft 365 organization. The recommended approach is to use the automatic process, and for this, make sure you have a Microsoft 365 account with global administrative privileges. Click on Next to proceed. Copy the one-time authorization code, then click the provided URL to enter your Microsoft 365 credentials and complete BDRSuite authorization. On the page that opens, enter or paste the copied code and click Next. Enter the email or phone associated with your Microsoft 365 account that has global administrative privileges, and then click Next. Enter the password and click on Sign In. Click Continue to proceed. Once this process is done, you can close this page. Go back to the BDRSuite Backup Servers console. Check the box and click on Next. The Microsoft 365 organization details will be automatically fetched. Enter a name for the organization. Click on Save. Click on Save to confirm. Once the organization is added, it will be listed as a data source that will let you perform backup and restore. Next, we can begin the backup job configuration process. Navigate to the Backup tab. Configure Backup, Microsoft 365. For this demo, I will show how to configure backup for the user mailbox. And you can check the description box for backup and restore of other Microsoft 365 objects. Specify a name for the backup job. Select the backup repository type, then choose the backup repository name and give a backup job description. Once all the basic job details are entered, click on Next. Choose the Microsoft 365 organization for backup and click on Start Backup Configuration. On this page, you can select the user mailbox entities you want to back up. First, select the domain. You can choose all or specific domains. Following that, click on Apply. You can choose to back up data from all users, or specific users, or select users by group. Next, select the data you want to back up. I am choosing Mails, OneDrive, Calendars, and Contacts. Click Next. Configure Mail folder and OneDrive folder exclusions, if any. You can also filter out Drive files to include or exclude from backup. Once done, click Next. BDRSuite offers flexible backup scheduling options. Select the backup frequency for incremental backups. For this demo, I've configured daily backups at 9 p.m. Only the initial backup is full. Afterwards, it is forever incremental backups. You can also set up advanced schedule settings. Now click Next. By default, compression is enabled. which helps you save storage space. Retention is disabled by default, so all mailbox data and increments will be retained. If you'd prefer to retain mails, calendars, or contacts that were modified or created within a specific period, enable retention and set the duration. Example: 1 year. Items older than 1 year will be deleted from the backup repository. For OneDrive items, you can specify the retention period by days or versions. Once configured, click Next. Finally, review your backup job configuration. If you want to run the backup job immediately, you can check the box and click Save. Confirm once again by clicking on Save. You will be redirected to the List of Backup Jobs page, and the configured backup job will be listed here. Here, you can click on the In Progress icon to view the backup progress. Once the backup is completed, you can edit, check status, view reports, and manage backup job from here. Click the Reports icon to view the backup job level report. Next, let us look into the recovery options. Navigate to the Recovery menu and click on Restore Backup Data. Click on the Restore button alongside the backup job from which you want to restore data. Choose the type Restore User Mailbox and click on Start Restore Configuration. Choose the domain and click Next. Select the time range to view the available restore points. I've chosen Recent Success, which displays the restore point of the latest successful backup. Select the restore point you want to restore. Now click on Next. Here, on this page, choose the user mailbox you want to restore. Once the mailbox is chosen, click on Apply. The already chosen restore point is taken here, but in case you want to modify, you can do the same here. Next, select the data you want to restore. You can choose to restore the entire mailbox, or you can select just the mails which you want to recover. You can restore OneDrive items either as an entire folder or just the specific file by expanding the folder. You can also download the files locally by clicking the Download button. You can restore all the calendar events or just the specific event by expanding them. Also, you can directly download an event in ICS format by clicking the Download button. Similarly, you can restore all contact items or restore only the specific contacts by expanding them. You can directly download contacts in VCF format by clicking the Download button. For this demo, we will proceed by choosing to restore the mails. You can search and find specific mail within a folder based on time range, subject, email, etc. Then, you can select all mail items, or you can select a specific mail folder. You can also select to restore all or specific mails in a folder. You can also click on this view icon to view and download the mail locally in EML format. Once the selection is done, click on Next. Here on this page, you can select the restore options such as Restore to same user mailbox, Restore to a different user mailbox, Download as PST, EML, MBox, or to restore to a different organization. Here, I've selected a few mails to restore to the same user mailbox. Review the configuration and click on Restore. Click on OK, proceed to confirm. You will be redirected to the Restore Backup Data page. You can click the Progress icon to view the restore progress. Click on the Reports icon to view the recovery report. Once the restore is successful, you will find the restored data in the specified location. That's it! Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR support. Thanks for watching.